So, how much has my 2000 wait, where is it? Oh, I'm sorry. So, how much has my $2,072 given me so far just from investing it into Bitcoin? So far, the investment has given me a gain of $157 with 60 cents. Again, so far, my investment of $2,072 invested into Bitcoin has given me a gain of $157 with 60 cents. Now, Bitcoin right now, or as you can see, like the crypto market is in a way like not doing so good in a way, right? You can see that Litecoin, Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, all of these cryptos are crashing, right? But most importantly, Bitcoin is down what on the daily it's down almost 3%. And am I worried? No. I mean, obviously this is a long-term investment, so this isn't something to worry about, but if you look at it on the daily chart, right? A personal target level that I'm looking forward to seeing, that is if Bitcoin does drop a little further, right? Is for Bitcoin to touch the 50-day moving average and see if it can bounce off the 50-day moving average or use it as support in a way. Now, if Bitcoin does launch after bouncing off the 50-day moving average, then we could possibly see some upside momentum to Bitcoin in the next couple of days, right? But basically, my strategy to grow my portfolio to $1 million is basically try to like lower my how do you I guess I want to say I want to do dollar cost averaging in a way. So basically, whenever I see an opportunity, right? Like say right now, for example, uh I see support right now with Bitcoin around the 63,000 level. And I think that's a personal good entry point to get in or to, bring down my average down of, whatever my average is right now of Bitcoin, right? And so, in a way, basically, my strategy is to like kind of like dollar cost average, basically, buy when you see a good opportunity, right? Or you don't, but obviously, in the long term, that, uh, you know, buy will be like a good return in the long run, right? And so basically, my goal is to like try to invest only when Bitcoin is like severely beaten down or whenever I see support. And so right now, like how I see Bitcoin is at like it's hovering at the 63,000 level. I personally think that's a good entry point to get into Bitcoin, right? And and if you look at on the Bitcoin rainbow chart, right? I'm not sure if a lot of people know about this, but this is thing where uh it shows you where Bitcoin's at, right? And it shows you how Bitcoin has performed after halving. And so in a way, you can see this chart right now. What color is it at right now? So purple is Bitcoin is, that word. I'm not sure if I can say that. Uh, basic, basically a fire sale means the blue line, and right now it's at like that aqua weird color. It says buy, and so I kind of agree where it's at right now. It is a buy. It is at support, like of the 63,000 level. And if Bitcoin decides to crash down a little further, so if it decides to break the 50-day moving average, um, I'm looking forward to the next level of support around the 60,000 level or the 59,000 level. But I will see what happens, obviously. Um I'm not worried too much because in a way, Bitcoin is like more of a long-term investment. And if this Bitcoin rainbow price chart is correct, and it says that after each halving, Bitcoin decides to like, skyrocket, then I'm kind of not worried in a way. I'm just trying to like see like good dip opportunities, try to, whenever I see the dip, I'll try to buy in. That way, I'm not gonna buy it all the way at the top, like, oh, it's at 71,000, then, you know, it decides to crash down, and basically me just FOMOing in, right? I could have, waited patiently and just waited it out to be like, okay, um, maybe it's gonna come down to like these support levels. I should probably be patient, right? And basically, my goal is to like, in a way, see what can happen after a year. Just slightly investing into Bitcoin. Uh, whenever I see Bitcoin is like down, right? And do I think Bitcoin is gonna disappear? I don't think so. I mean, you have big institutions, right? They launched a big Bitcoin ETFs. A bunch of people went into those Bitcoin ETFs, right? And in a way, these big institutions believe that crypto is like the digital currency gold in a way, right? So a lot of people don't want to miss out on this, like opportunity, because a lot of people feel like this might be the next, financial, opportunity that they don't want to miss out on. And in a way, and me too, I'm like, yeah, I kind of want to dip, you know, my, I guess my, I don't know, I just want to dabble into the in the crypto market basically. And so that's my goal of, with the whole crypto market is to basically, um, to, basically my goal to reach $1 million into crypto is basically, whenever I see Bitcoin at certain support levels, right? I'll try to wait, or see if it can go down further. And if I feel like it's not gonna go down further, then I can just like buy like $5 worth of Bitcoin there, whatever's whenever Bitcoin decides to touch certain support levels, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, Bitcoin, I feel like it's not going anywhere. You got big institutions buying in to Bitcoin. You got well, yeah. I mean, you got big institutions that, that are super into Bitcoin, right? They believe in it. I don't think it's gonna disappear just like out of nowhere. And but yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, like I said, my investment of $2,072 invested into Bitcoin has given me so far $157 with 60 cents. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I'll definitely update you guys, what happens with the Bitcoin portfolio. Um, One thing I do want to say is that um, it's kind of crazy. I don't know what's gonna happen with Bitcoin. Like, um, Bitcoin could possibly, I don't know. It's just weird. This whole I seen it, never seen anything like this, like crypto. It's kind of weird. In a way, I feel like Bitcoin is the S&P 500. So basically, if you want to see like two times your returns, like it would be best to like put it into Bitcoin in a way. Obviously, this is not financial advice, right? But the way I see it is basically I see that Bitcoin is like the S&P 500 in a way. And I'll probably make a video showing you guys like a comparison, like what would have happened if you invest like $1,000 into SPY or the S&P 500, and what would happen if you had invested $1,000 into Bitcoin, right? But that's another video or another topic that we'll talk about in a different video. Maybe I'll make it into a video, I don't know. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys did good trading or investing, right? And if you guys did, congrats. If you didn't, it's okay. There's always another day to learn from your mistakes. And pretty much it. I mean, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys have a good day or a good night or whenever you're seeing this. And if you want to sign up with Webull or learn to like, or you want a paper trade, you can sign up with my Webull link in the description below, or you can sign up on Webull's website. And other than that, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, take care. Bye.